I was looking around the shop, but I couldn't find anything else. This is my foot. I couldn't find anything else except for this, which I like the material so much. And I'm just gonna try it on. With my charm, Madhuri got me this kuromi and a croissant charm from a flea market. It's so cute. I love it so much. Guys, I low-key like this, but I don't like the sleeves. I don't know how to explain, but I just wish they were more straight and a bit longer. I don't like it. I don't like this as well. Maybe I should tie it. He thought it would make it better if I tie. I don't like the sleeves here. The material is really nice, but I just don't like the sleeves. Bye.
또 키스야 아침이면 아자시대 거의 높으라 그라무어 그와세 나이 때는 대아이 또 와가래 저어제니
I'm walking out. Mini sofa. My mom got this. I got a kuromi. I was gonna get a pochako or a My Melody, but my mom told me to get this. A water bottle that I can take to my internship. I wanted a tiny one because I can refill. And Ashit came over. I went to the park with him a little while ago after I came back from lunch. I got ready for work. This is my outfit. Bhumika's not coming in my bus today. She's going early. But I'm gonna meet her after work. We're at a convenience store. We came to drink the iced drink.
And it's not there.
Yeah, they don't have it. I found Lucky Charms. Guess how much it is.
I'm gonna guess 400.
It's very cheap, guys. It's very cheap. I really want this, but
400.
this is literally 1200.
Oh no.
Why would you sell it? Why would you sell cereal for 1200? I'm putting it back. What is this?
All of serving is like.
What is this? So cute. They have such cute things for babies. If a baby is watching this video, she should get sweet potato apple. This is also very cute. But guess what? They're selling it for 1500.
We're gonna take this one.
Okay.
I don't wanna take this one. Do you have anything that I can poke it in? We don't have anything. At least it's that strong.
We'll take a break.
We'll try shrimp crackers. Okay, something to open. I hope this is nice. I hope so.
This is so good.
One good thing.
Buying shrimp crackers. I will stop everyone from buying
At least
it.
the Capri Sun we can consider.
Yeah, Capri Sun is not that bad. Maybe some people will like it, but this is really good.
We're gonna try it.
We're at H&M and there's nothing in the store. Like, all they have is this and everything. Explain this. And that.
There's a dress,
There's like another dress, another pair of pants, and
this is good.
what is happening? Look at that. We should try on the hats.
I look like
Summer.
I went through.
But try this, try this. This is so ugly. Why would they?
I had
I just washed my hair yesterday.
no one can see it.
We're going to Sephora. Yeah.
I think it's gonna match.
I don't like the consistency at all. It's not a bad color. It's actually nice. It stings. Does it sting for you? Hi. Hi. Should I say that in English? It's fine. We speak in Telugu most of the times anyways. We mix words.
We fight in
and
English.
Oh, we fight in English, yes. Even like deep conversations we have in English, I don't know why.
Yeah.
Why can't we?
No, I do that with. I observe that I do that with people.
Everyone does that with everyone.
Yeah.
All my friends.
Yeah.
We have so much work to do. She has to do some work.
Work. Freelance work, kind of.
Freelance work. And I have to do my
I have to
project.
start that, yeah.
Yeah, I have to do documentation for my project. By the way, she's graduated. She's done. She's done with college. I still have finals and my major project review. We're so excited for today. She's gonna sleep over, so
Yeah. I got a puzzle.
yeah, once we finish our work, we can finally
We should log in and like work for maybe 2 hours.
2.5 hours and then we'll be
Yeah.
done mostly. We'll be done.
I'll start with planning everything because I
Also-
didn't start the project yet.
Also, we'll watch Good Boys 4th episode. You don't know what it is? I will tell you what it is. I'll tell you the
We're
story.
going to start with 4th episode.
Yeah. Today is a Sunday and 4th episode is gonna come out at 10 p.m. So we're gonna watch that. She's gonna watch it with me because I have to watch it right away. I cannot wait.
join मेरे को पूछा like उसका एक friend है he was asking for some front end app का like freelancing के लिए so I was like कि मेरा तो resume भी updated नहीं कुछ updated के लिए share वगैरह करके तो मैं पूरा इसी का
We're eating lunch. I mean, she's eating. I'm gonna eat. Making her watch the first episode. It's, I guess, 7 p.m. and we decided to take a break just now. We got snacks. This is actually bad. This is bad. The red one is nice. But then I ate almost all of it. I was just expecting it to get better. We're gonna eat brownie and ice cream and then get back to work. Oh. I'll just put the camera down. Oh my god.
Melted, which is hot. Look at that.
I got one Park Bogum. Shut up. I'm trying to say something.
I bought.
I got
see it. I like it.
I got a Park Bogum edit on my feed and then I clicked on it. I just pressed interested. And then I went back and all of my feed was Park Bogum. It's 12. We just got off work. We're gonna eat previous day's dinner today. My work is finally done, which I'm really happy about. We worked so much today. Yeah. Oh, Amma chesesava? My mom made us dumplings and we're gonna eat
It with the oyster sauce.
this one. We tried this. No, I tried this as I am losing brain cells. I tried this with noodles. Like I cooked it in this,
So
and it
we're
was
not
good.
sure how it'll taste.
As
just
a dip.
as one dip. Yeah.
Yeah. Good morning, good morning. We woke up at 10:30. This is the puzzle that she bought. We got it off of Instamart.
That's the only good one.
I did this part, she did this part, and this part. That would have been sad. We're done.